Refresh. Hello, hi Andy, welcome to Hasvika's Collections. Welcome back. Hi Vinoda Reddy Garu. Hi Kavya ma'am. Welcome Andy, welcome back to Hasvika's Collections. Today we are back with the most awaited set, like the Dashavtaram set. Like many people have been waiting for this. And after posting it in community and the WhatsApp picture, we have booked almost 20% of that. So request everyone, like whoever is looking from long time for the Dashavtara set, have to book the live booking so that we can dispatch and block it for you. Raghavi Reddy, sure ma'am. Sujata Garu, hi. Sharmila ma'am, hi. Aradhya Garu, hi. Ritik, hi. Okay, let me start the show only. I think today we are doing a very late night show. Uma Vijaya Reddy, hello ma'am. Raghav Reddy, like 4. Thank you so much, Andy. Yeah, let me start the show with cute toe rings. Like these are very rare collections and we get very rarely. The toe rings అనేది 1 gram లో చాలా రేర్గా వస్తాయండి, as everyone knows. And these are completely like diamond look toe rings. ఇది మీరు డైలీ యూస్ కూడా చేయొచ్చు, because I have been using from last 2-3 years the same. సో మీరు డైలీ యూస్ చేసినా కూడా ఏం ప్రాబ్లం ఉండదు. మీకు వెనకాల కొంచెం లైట్ కలర్ అవుతుంది, బట్ స్టోన్స్ మాత్రం షైన్ కానీ స్టోన్స్ పోవడం అనేది ఉండదు, బికాస్ దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ హ్యాండ్ ఫిట్టెడ్ స్టోన్స్. సో యుల్ హ్యావ్ ఎ వెరీ గుడ్ లుక్. So these are the things. These are the toe rings. We have 3 different designs in this toe rings. I'll show you all the 3 different colors. I think this is objecting. Just a second. Yeah, nice collection. Sujata ma'am, thank you Andy. Dashavtaram set వచ్చేసి 5500 plus 100 shipping ఉంటుంది. I'll show you the set and we'll give you the transfer details also. Request everyone to make the payment along with the shipping. Yeah, these are the 3 different shades what we have. This is the first one with the flower. 7 stores flower untundandi ఇది toe rings లో. And the other one is, ఇది మీకు adjustable ఉంటుంది. Like at the back side there is a gap given and it is very stiff, not delicate. చాలా థిక్గా ఉంది ఇది. సో డెలికేట్గా ఏం లేదు, చాలా థిక్గా ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి మీరు ఈజీగా యూస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. సో మీరు ఫింగర్ పెట్టుకున్నాక ప్రెస్సింగ్ టైప్ అనమాట. సో లూజ్ అవ్వడం అలా ఏమి ఉండదు. యూ కెన్ యూజ్ అకార్డింగ్ టు యువర్ toes. The size you can adjust according to your toes, I mean. So you'll have a backside adjustable gap where you can adjust according to your toe. So this is the another design. This is also a very pretty one with different stone. I mean with different design in stones. It's an adjustable one. This is a toe ring and we give it as a pair only. Like somebody was checking for single, I don't think for using as a finger ring. You have to buy 2 and if you want you can use it as a finger ring also, but single we don't give. So these are the 3 designs which I am showing. These 2 designs, the first one and this one, is 650 pair andi. It's a very high quality stone. You can use it on a daily basis also. And this is the 2 sizes what I am showing you now is 650 pair. And we have one more sleek design in this. This is the other one. This is also a very pretty and cute one. This is 550 pair. The one is the one which is sleek is 550 pair. I mean toe rings. And this design is 650. Yeah, different collections. Thank you so much Andy Nagesh Garu. Cigar kuda vadacha ma'am. Okay, fine. These are the prices of the toe rings. These are the first products for today. This beads mala also has been restocked, Andy. Like many were checking for the beads mala. This is again a gold copy made in artificial. It's a very beautiful one. మీకు మధ్యలో ఇలా బంచ్ పర్ల్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. Around 10 lines of bunch వస్తుంది. Again it is a with emerald and pearls. Video is not clear. No, it's perfectly correct, Andy. Like for me it is perfect. Okay, this is with pearl and emerald and pearl combination. These are all cultured beads. We don't say that it is pure pearls or real pearls, because real pearls will cost more and which can't be used in artificial. So this we have in 2 different colors. The one is with green and pearl combination, and we have with ruby and pearl too. Maaku meeku telugu rada. Okay, yeah, this is with the ruby combination andi. Idi green combination, ruby combination, 2 combinations lo available undi. The price of this chain is 850 plus shipping. 2 different combinations, and it's a very pretty one. Even single also you can wear, or if you have a pendants with big hook, even that you can for that you can wear it and use it as a string. Superb collections. Thank you so much, Vaishnavi ma'am. Nice collections. Yeah, so these are the bunch pearls, a gold replica design made in artificial in beads. 2 colors are perfectly good, Andy. We have a good number of stock in this. If you want, you can book your orders. The price of this is 850 plus shipping. Single is 850 plus shipping. I saw your latest collections. Awesome. Thank you so much, Andy. Yeah. And there is one more in beads. Let me finish off with the beads collection, then we move on to the other things. You have any neck for this? Yeah. This is one more in beads, Andy. I think we have to put it to a neck, then it will be here. Give me the black one. So, ఇది 3 lines with side pendant వచ్చేస్తుంది. Just a second. Yeah. This is 3 lines with a side pendant, complete emerald beads. This is also a very good one. ఇదంతా కట్టుతీగ వర్క్ అండి. కట్టుతీగ వర్క్ with emerald beads, with all side pendants on the sides. ఇది మిడ్ లెంత్ వస్తుందండి, లాంగ్ కాదు. This is a mid length one with కట్టుతీగ work. The price of this is 1650 plus shipping. The price of this set is 1650 plus shipping, and 3 lines emerald beads with all kattutiga work. You have a nice cute little caesar stone pendant also. So the price of this is 1650 plus shipping. Okay, please make the note of the prices, Andy. Today I did not get the time to show it on the slips. Okay, this is one more cute choker cum arm belt. You can use it as a choker and also arm belt. This is completely premium matte gold polish. So the polish wise it will give you a real look. It's not light yellow. We use a very thick gold polish so that it gives you a real look. The same designs you might be getting for a lower quality polish. So you have to check with the quality of the polish also. Just checking with the prices is not what I should say. We sell only high quality, so we use only high polish. The same designs you might get it for lower polish with the lower price. So this is with the completely high quality stones and thick polish in gold, and the price of this is 950 plus shipping. This you can use it as a choker cum arm belt and we'll give an extension chain here, so you can use it as a choker and also arm belt. Original emerald. Sujata ma'am, original emeralds artificial use cheyaru, ivanni cultured beads untayi, semi precious beads anachu. Original emeralds, one line will cost you more than 5-6,000 ma'am. It's not possible to use in artificial. Yeah, but the quality what I'm giving, it gives you an original look, that I can say. The color wise or the quality uses, durability wise and all, you'll be getting a very good quality. So the price of this choker cum arm belt is 950 plus shipping andi. It's a very good polish and you can use it for even kids, ladies and young girls, everyone can use it, as we'll be giving a back chain, I mean extension chain for this. Tulsi garu, thank you so much ma'am. Show Kante set. Kante set నేను షార్ట్ వీడియో పోస్ట్ చేశాను మ్యామ్, నా దగ్గర ఉన్న 30 పీసెస్ ఆల్రెడీ అయిపోయాయి. సో షార్ట్ వీడియోలో ఆల్రెడీ కలెక్షన్ రాగానే పోస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం, అగైన్ లైవ్లో చూపించేంత వరకు కూడా ఉండట్లేదు, స్టాక్ అయిపోతుంది. దో వీ స్టాక్ ఆఫ్ వెరీ హ్యూజ్ క్వాంటిటీ, ఇట్ ఈస్ గెటింగ్ ఓవర్ అండి. ఐ కెన్ షో యూ ది దశావతారం సెట్స్ ఆల్సో. వీ హ్యావ్ రిసీవ్డ్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ 50 sets I guess. You can have a look. We have received almost 50 sets. And by posting it in the community only, we have booked already 20 sets. So whoever is interested has to book their orders as soon as possible. Yeah, hope the video is clear. Yeah, let's move to other products. This jhumki has been restocked, Dani. Many have been looking for this Lakshmi jhumki. It restock ayindi, so if anyone is looking can book their orders. This is also a very pretty gold look, and this is completely with stones even at the back. It's a push type, not screw. Earrings matram complete me gold look ke untundi. That white stones in the jhumki is giving you a very pretty look here. Can you show the pearl and emerald haram with the locket? Ma'am, which lockets you wanted to see? Right now lockets I don't have in hand. What I mean to say is, whichever locket you have with a big hook, you can use that string for that locket. Lovely collections, thank you so much Andy. Yeah, these jhumkis have been restocked and this is 1050 plus shipping. The price of this jhumki is 1050 plus shipping. I want bangles. The bangles which I am wearing or other bangles ma'am, you can just WhatsApp, we'll send you the details. So yeah, this is the one more set only. It's a very beautiful matte gold, matte premium gold polish idi. So meeku manchi light yellow prefer chese vallu idi teesukodandi. Idi koncham matte gold polish untundi, but real look ke untundi. It's a very different and unique trendy design in Kasula haram. It's Lakshmi Kasulu with a nice diamond pendant in between. This is a short necklace and it's short necklace. It comes with the jhumki. Sorry, this is the green one, right? Yeah, this comes with the earring again. I mean jhumki earring. I'm new to this channel. All your jewelry is silver dipped in gold. When you say it's 1 gram, these are not silver jewelry, ma'am. It's all 1 gram. But the look wise, it gives you a silver and gold look. Only few of the pendants what we show in Kundan are mix of silver. The other things are not at all silver. Ma'am, can you show light jewelry? Sure Vaishnavi ma'am. I have 2-3 sets in handy. I'll show you the light simple designs also. I'm big fan of your collections. Alekia ma'am, thank you so much Andy. Yeah, in this we have 2 different colors. One is green and the other one is with ruby. It's a very different and unique collection, unique design and cheppochu. Usually this kind of designs we get only the plain Kasula haram ala vastundi Lakshmi coins toti. So this is with a little diamond pendant ichesarki koncham trendy ga undi. It's a dual tone polish with a cute earrings again. It's a matte gold polish andi, not light yellow or something like that, but it is a very pretty and different design. A designer copy anochu. లాంగ్ హారం విత్ లక్ష్మీ ఐడల్స్. కాసుల హారం ప్రజెంట్ అయితే ఇదే ఉంది మ్యామ్. నేను చూపించే షార్ట్ అవైలబుల్ ఉంది. వాట్సాప్కి రిప్లై ప్లీజ్ మ్యామ్. వన్స్ వీఆర్ డన్ విత్ ద లైవ్ విల్ డెఫినెట్లీ రిప్లై. If you are looking for a Dashavatam set to be booked on live, you can just make the payment and give a missed call. Not the missed call right away. Maybe you can just after the live you can give a missed call. We'll check your payment screenshot and we'll book your orders. So whoever has done the payment for the Dashavatam, I'll show you the number. You can just transfer on any of these numbers and send the payment screenshots. Yeah, these are the numbers for payment screenshot. You can book your orders right away. So these are the two colors. A very pretty design. You have a ruby combination stone also on the top of the coin. It's a very pretty and unique design. A little heavy in short necklace, but a real gold look one. Black beads collections are in making, ma'am. So right now it is a marriage and festive season. We are coming up with a little heavy ones, heavy and real look ones. Black beads, I'll do it little later, or we'll be posting a short videos. Dashavatam set, I haven't showed it, ma'am. I'll show you right away. Give me some time, I'll show you. Yeah. Please watch the live till end, and we have very exclusive pieces today. So this comes with the jumki, and the price of this set is 2,800 plus shipping. It's a very beautiful one. The price is 28 plus shipping. Like whichever color you want, you can take a screenshot and send us. We have few diamond copies. Like many are looking for the diamond copy sets. This is also one more short necklace with all Caesar stone and diamond polish. The size of the pendant is good andi. Manchi medium size vachesi meeku peacocks vachayi ikkada. You can see you have a peacocks and a flower again. స్టాక్ అవుట్ అయితే మళ్ళీ వచ్చే ఛాన్స్. నేను రీమేకింగ్లో ఉంటే అగైన్ ఐ కెన్ గివ్ యూ అని చెప్తాను మ్యామ్. మీరు ఏ సెట్ అడుగుతున్నారో ఒకసారి వాట్సాప్ చేయండి. లక్ష్మీ ఫ్యాషన్స్, యా మ్యామ్, మీరు రీస్టాక్ అవుతుందా లేదా అనేది ఐ విల్ కమ్ టు నో, బికాస్ వెదర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ మేకింగ్ ఇన్ మేకింగ్ ఆర్ నాట్. యూ కెన్ వాట్సాప్ us. I can tell you which set you are looking for. You can WhatsApp us. So this is again a diamond copy set, a short necklace with a complete Caesar stone and diamond polish. This comes with the earrings, beautiful earrings. The size of the pendant is very pretty. We'll add a chain or dory according to the client only. You can WhatsApp us while placing order whether you want chain or dory. మీ కలెక్షన్స్ చాలా బాగుంటాయి. థ్యాంక్ యూ స్వాతి గారు. హాయ్ సాయిలక్ష్మి మ్యామ్. యా, దీస్ ఆర్ ద ఇయర్ రింగ్స్ ఫర్ దిస్ సెట్. ఇట్స్ అ షార్ట్ నెక్లెస్. కుందన్, చెక్ ది పేమెంట్స్ కన్నా. Yeah, this is the diamond copy short necklace with ruby combination. The price of this set is 2,000 plus shipping andi. You can book your orders right away. We have a stock in this too. So for the order processing, please, for moving the parcels and all, it will take, once you make the transaction, it is taking 2 to 3 days for dispatching andi. So please don't rush me for the orders. Please take 10 days, total 10 days in hand, and book your orders. Yeah, this is the one. 2,000 plus shipping is the price. A very pretty diamond copy set. Fida Aipoyanu me collection. Thank you so much, ma'am. Bharati Raj garu, thank you so much. Yeah, this is 2,000 plus shipping. A very reasonably priced in diamond copy. Kundan jewelry, I have posted, ma'am, many of the Kundan jewelry short videos we have posted. Since we'll have a little time, I can't take much time. So whichever I have posted in short video, I'm not showing it again. You can WhatsApp us otherwise. It's not clear. Yeah. GPay name is Hema Udan. Correct, ma'am. Chetan Jain garu, GPay, in my GPay it is Hema Udan only. You can transfer, you can make the payment. This is one more pretty set in diamond copy. This I think we have already posted video and we got a very good response, and few have already received this parcels. This is with the jhumka hanging and a complete diamond copy set. ఇవన్నీ కూడా స్టోన్స్ అండి. మంచి షైన్, సీజర్డ్ షైన్ ఉంటుంది. మీకు డైమండ్ పాలిష్ కాబట్టి డైమండ్ లుక్కే ఉంటుంది. దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ కంప్లీట్లీ స్టోన్స్. Like in low quality, the people are not using stones here. They are using a white kind of paint in the holes. So which is also, they say that it's a diamond copy and they sell it. But you can see these are completely stones which are very shiny. So this is the one, the short necklace, a pretty one. This comes with the jhumki. Bangles, yeah ma'am, I'll show you the bangles also. COD option లేదు మ్యామ్. దీపు గారు COD option we don't have, it's only online payment. So this comes with a pretty earrings of jhumka. The price of this set is 2200 plus shipping. Collections are very pretty. Thank you so much Andy. So this is also a short necklace. It's up to 18 inches. Not neck tight ఏమీ ఉండదు, మీరు కొంచెం లాంగ్ కూడా వేసుకోవచ్చు. Can you show once the Dashavtaram set? Sure Leela ma'am. Give me 2 minutes. Let me finish off this. I'll show the Dashavtaram at the end, so that I can immediately reply to your payments. So this is the 2200 plus shipping is the price. This we have one more, right? In diamond copy we have one more set. Yeah, this is also a pretty one. This is with emerald, more of emerald stones and scissored. Shipping charges within India is 100 rupees ma'am. Please note down the shipping charges. Don't transfer without shipping, and people are waiting for me to reply on the WhatsApp just for the shipping charges. And if I tell them that it is 100 rupees shipping and the item price, then they'll ask me for the total. I don't know how, like again they have to wait for so much of time till I reply. After giving the shipping charges separately and the product price separately, then people are waiting for me to send me the total. I don't know how meaningful that is. Yeah, anyhow, this is again one more beautiful set, a complete peacock design. This is also a short necklace Andy. Like many people are messaging for the most of the diamond copy sets, so I have shown almost 3 to 4 sets today. If anyone interested can book their orders. The price of this is also 2000 plus shipping. The only jhumki one is 2200. The price of this set is 2000 plus shipping. A very pretty set. You can book your orders. కుందన్ టీకాస్ చూపించండి. కుందన్ టీకాస్ వీడియో పోస్ట్ చేశాను మ్యామ్, ఒకసారి చెక్ చేయండి. ఐ థింక్ వేర్ ఇస్ ద కుందన్ టీకా. Yeah, this is priced at 2000 plus shipping అండి. Single line chokers in diamond finish. I have one design in single line ma'am, but I have very few stock. I'll show you that picture. So this is the Kundan Tika. It's a very pretty one. This is not good. Give me the other one. Just a second. The price of this set is 2000 plus shipping Andy. You can take the screenshot. There is a single line choker. This is the Kundan Manti Kandi, which we have posted short video, and I think we have moved out almost. So we have limited stock of around how many? We have around 10 to 15, 20 pieces untayandi. If anyone interested can book their orders. Okay. The price of this is 1850. It's a very pretty one. ఈ సైజ్లో కుందన్ అనేది చాలా నీట్గా ఉంటుందండి. ఆల్ ఏజెస్ కెన్ వేర్ దిస్ ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ బిగ్ వన్స్. ద పీపుల్ హూ ప్రిఫర్ సింపుల్ వన్స్, they should definitely go for this kind of tikas. Kundan tika is 1850, ma'am. A very pretty one with all high quality pearl hangings, and it is completely kundan gold plated. Yeah, this is the one. Where are the earrings? The small I told to open. Yeah. Somebody was checking for the single line stone choker. This is again one more pretty one, but I have a very limited stock. The stock which is very limited, I can't show it in the live only, because if I get too many orders, I'll not be able to give. So somebody was checking for this, can book their orders. I have around 10 pieces, I guess, not more than that. Super collections with reasonable price. Thank you so much, Andy. It's a very pretty real diamond look. Chala sleek ga untundi. Chala sleek design. It's a short necklace. The earrings are also very pretty. Back screw neck sets konne untai, ma'am. Whenever it is available, I'll show you. The earrings are also very pretty. It's like real diamond look. The glare of the stones meeku manchi real look istandi. Mem use chesedi high quality stones kabatti meeku look wise kaani like finish wise kuda meeku alanti look istundi. Gold plated earrings. Whatever I am showing is everything is gold plated only, ma'am. Shravanti garu, like what you're looking for, just let me ping me in WhatsApp, I'll tell you. So this is the set, a single line diamond copy set. It's a very pretty design. The price of this is 1650 plus shipping. దీంట్లో చాలా స్టోన్స్ ఉన్నాయండి. It's a very minute design. You can just have a look. Though it is a small set, you should have a count on like number of stones used and the kind of quality. It's a very pretty one. This comes with the earrings. The price is 1650 plus shipping is the price. This I have only limited, ma'am. Only 10 pieces. If anyone interested has to book their orders, you can do the live booking also. Okay. I'll show you the payment numbers. People are. This is for the order processing only. For placing orders, I mean for WhatsApp, you have to use only this number. Then only the order will be processed. And we have also given a WhatsApp link for the first time who are checking my live, or the people who are new buyers can click on the WhatsApp link given in the description box. And it will redirect it to my page. I mean my WhatsApp. This is the order booking number for placing orders, and these are the transfer details, GPay and PhonePe. Any old collections can be made again in order, ma'am. No, ma'am, because single pieces nobody will make unless and until I give a quantity like 50 to 100 pieces. Then only any manufacturer will take the orders. Single pieces nobody can make it. If you can give me the picture, I can tell you whether that is in remaking or not. Payment done for Dashavtaram. Sure, ma'am, we'll check and we'll take your we'll block the set for you. Please send your complete address and payment screenshots. This is again a one more Nakshi design. I think I'll show you in the hand. Yeah, ఇది కూడా మంచి big pendant with a Nakshi design. The matte gold polish andi. It's a very pretty design, completely carved Nakshi polish. The detailed design of the peacocks and the pendant is very pretty, and koncham heavy ga kuda undi. It gives you a perfect real look. It's a short necklace, short to mid veskochandi, mari short kuda ledu, mid length kuda veskochu meeru, but the design is very beautiful. with the cute earrings. ఇదంతా నక్షి వర్క్ అంటారు కదా, మన గోల్డ్లో యూస్ చేసే నక్షి వర్క్, సేమ్ అలాంటి వర్కే వస్తుంది. సునీత మ్యామ్, షూర్ మ్యామ్. దశావతారం కాస్ట్ ఇస్ 5500 plus 100 shipping. It's a perfect set for the festivals and marriages. It's a complete big size Nakshi pendant of Lakshmi with all Caesared stones, which is giving you a real gold look. Meeku complete stones vachai, complete small stones, and this is giving you a very perfect real gold look. You can see the work also, how neat it is. The peacock design కానీ మీకు ఫ్లవర్ డిజైన్స్ కూడా కంప్లీట్ గోల్డ్ లుక్ ఉంటుంది. ఇది లైట్ ఎల్లో పాలిష్ ఉండదు మ్యామ్, మంచి గోల్డ్ పాలిష్. మీకు రియల్ గోల్డ్లో ఏదైతే పాలిష్ యూస్ చేస్తారో థిక్ గోల్డ్, బికాస్ వీ స్పెషల్లీ ఆస్క్ మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చరర్స్ టు యూస్ దిస్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ పాలిష్ సో దట్ ఇట్ గివ్స్ ఎ రియల్ లుక్ and the best quality ones, and the durable also will be long if we use this kind of polish. So we specially ask manufacturers for our products, like whatever I'm giving, to give a thick polish. So this set is a very beautiful one, a cute different set. The price of this set is 2200 plus shipping. It's a short necklace andi. It's a short necklace, a very high quality. 2200 is the price. Very nice collections. I need Dashavtaram, but can you customize with rice pearls? No ma'am, we are not taking any customization into hand. So as in what I'm showing, same as in picture you will be getting, you have to take the same way. Like if you want, you can once it reaches you, you can customize according to you. Transferred for the Kundan Tika. Shweta ma'am, sure andi. You can send me screenshot and also the complete address. Yeah, the price of this set is 2200 plus shipping. We have few with complete Kempu stones and rice pearls. This is also a very beautiful design. I think I will put it to your neck or here. Yeah. These are all Kempu stone sets andi. Idi real rice pearls kaadu, semi precious e untayi, but look wise it will give you a real rice pearl look. It's a very pretty design. In this we have two different colors. This is also a short necklace andi. Ma'am, I booked a single line diamond set. Latha Indrakanti, sure ma'am. Yeah, this is also a very pretty peacock design Kempu set with a nice earrings and with a bunch of pearls. Guttu pusal laga untundandi. This gives you a guttu pusal look, and with earrings. In this we have two different combinations. One is with the Kempu ruby and the other one is green. This is antique polish andi, not gold or not matte. It's a kind of antique polish with all rice pearls. Chala rice pearls unnai, bunch pearls laga guttu pusal laga untundi. This comes with the earrings, a very pretty earrings. This we have in two different colors. One is green and ruby combination. Clarity is missing today. Check it. Why the clarity is missing? Can you check in your mobile? Long black beads మేము ఇవాళ పోస్ట్ చేసాం మ్యామ్. I think yesterday we have posted. Is it blur? Just a second. ఒక్క నిమిషం మ్యామ్, నేను అడ్జస్ట్ చేస్తాను. Yeah, this is the one. It's a Kempu set with all bunch pearls and a cute earrings. Is it? Why is it happening? Just a second, no? So this is the closer look. It's not coming. Ma'am, don't call this number. If you make any payment, just wait for some time. Once we after the live, you can give a missed call in WhatsApp, so that whichever the payments are done, we'll be checking the last calls of the WhatsApp, and we'll block those, because we are getting too many inquiries. So in order to just differentiate the query and also the payment ones, I mean the clients who has done the payment, you have to just give me a missed call after the live in WhatsApp, the WhatsApp missed call, so that we can check the payments right away with your last call. So this price is, how much is this? It's 2200 plus shipping, Andy. The price of this set is 2200. We have two different colors. Two different colors in this. This I'll show, put it to your neck and post the short video. We have one more beautiful piece. This is a gold copy, and gold copy made in artificial. Such a beautiful design. It's a short necklace. Yeah, this is a short necklace. I think I have kept it very tight. Just a second. This manchi pendant meeku broad necklace laga untundi, because the pendant is huge. A very different design. The earrings are also very pretty. You can see the earrings are also very pretty. This is again a push style. మీకు ఇయరింగ్స్ డ్రాప్ కూడా మంచి స్టోన్ డ్రాప్ ఇచ్చారండి, గ్రీన్ అండ్ వైట్ స్టోన్స్తో. దిస్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ఇయర్ రింగ్స్ విత్ అ బిగ్ చాన్బాలి లాగా ఉంటుంది. దిస్ యూ కెన్ యూజ్ ఇట్ ఫర్ అదర్ సెట్స్ ఆల్సో. మ్యామ్ కీప్ సెట్స్ which look real gold look. Shravani ma'am, whatever we posted, like most of them 80% will be all real gold look only, and even in the comments you can check, like we have posted the just a second, even in the comments, like we have posted the customer reviews also. You can just go through that, like most of them will be all gold replicas. Yeah. So this is the set, a very beautiful one, completely gold plated one, and the real look. The clarity of the designing is very beautiful, and in this you can see a little mango design and a flowers. Perfect meeku manchi gold look untundi idi, because the pendant wise it is given a very beautiful one. It's a kind of two pendants anochu. So this set is again priced at how much? 2400 andi. The price of this set is 2400. It's a short necklace, a beautiful design with all stones, ankat stones and also a kampu stones. The designing of this set is very different. Why is it black today? Yeah. The earrings are also very pretty. Just a second. No ma'am, we don't have any discounts. Whatever the prices we are showing, these are fixed price. These are all already wholesale prices with high quality. Please book the simple diamond set. Sunanda Moturi garu, you can just transfer ma'am. So this is the set. The price is 2400 plus shipping. It's a push style, not screw. It's a very different and unique design. Perfect for all the marriages, festive seasons. అండ్ దిస్ ఆల్సో వీ హ్యావ్ వెరీ లిమిటెడ్ స్టాక్ అండి. ఇలాంటి నక్షి వర్క్లో కానీ ఇలాంటి సెట్స్ కొంచెం మేకింగ్కి కూడా చాలా టైం పడుతుంది అండ్ బుకింగ్ కూడా అంతే ఫాస్ట్గా అవుతున్నాయి. దో వీ మెయింటైన్ ఏ హ్యూజ్ స్టాక్ అండ్ ద కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ఎంక్వైరీస్ వాట్ వీఆర్ గెట్టింగ్ and the bookings, it is getting less, but still I am just requesting all the manufacturers to give me the quantity, like huge quantity at a time, so that I can give it to everyone. So this is priced at 2400 plus shipping. You can take the screenshot. The price is 2400 plus shipping. Make sound. Okay, let's move on to the show topper, the Dashavtaram set. Can you give them one in hand? Yeah, this is the pretty, like almost I'm getting 400 to 500 inquiries only for this set after the last live what we have shown. It's a very pretty design, real gold look, real gold polish, and with all moissanite stones. You can see the finish, and this has been completely paired up with pearls and the green stones and also a gold balls. The same what has been done in the real 22 karat gold. The same we have tried it even in the pearls. There are 3 different bunch pearls given. A complete gold look andi. Mem already deen paina last video లైవ్లో చేశాక ఒక 40 పీసెస్ వరకు డిస్పాచ్ అయ్యాయి. ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ క్లయింట్ వాజ్ సో హ్యాపీ ఆఫ్టర్ రిసీవింగ్ అండ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ సచ్ ఎ బ్యూటిఫుల్ సెట్. ఇట్స్ అ మిడ్ లెంత్ వన్, నాట్ లాంగ్, బట్ ఎ పర్ఫెక్ట్ గోల్డ్ లుక్, ద పాలిష్ వైజ్, స్టోన్స్ వైజ్, ఎవ్రీథింగ్. And this I have been following up with the manufacturers every day, like it's like a morning message laga every day message chesedani that I want this set, when is it coming. After following up so much, I have received finally. Orange color choker, no ma'am, we don't have anything in orange. Dashavtaram set I needed last time, I asked you, it was sold. How to pay? Samudrik ma'am, you WhatsApp, you can ping us on 9618284188 and you can make the payment on the numbers what I have given. It is 9515607463. The payment screenshot on GPay or PhonePe, you can do it and send the payment screenshot. This though I have around 50 sets andi, but almost we have booked 20 after posting in the community tab. To be frank, I can give only for the few people even this time. Like whoever make the transfer first, they'll be getting. So if anyone interested has to book their orders fast. You can also see the stock what we have, because many people are complaining that we were just waiting for this. I think you have less stock, that is the reason you are not able to give. I just wanted to show you the stock also what we have received. It's completely almost 50 pieces I guess, not more than that. Again this is in remaking because this is moving like a hot cake. So only for the 50 people I can give today. Whoever books the first will get the order. Like many people were requesting for this, so we have restocked, and many people were asking literally every day that they have a housewarming in US and for marriages and everyone, like even for the many functions they were checking for this set. So whoever is interested has to book their orders fast. So this is mid-length andi, mid-length, completely gold polish. It's not red polish or it's not antique or matte, it's completely gold polish. I think the picture is perfect clear, and the size also. This is completely gold copy made in artificial andi. It's not with, few of the gold copies only have this pendants, but we have included this moissanite stones, which is giving you a perfect look. Lovely set, will take for sure. I think we have to check on the transactions because we have only few and we are getting many. transactions already అవుతున్నాయండి. I can see the messages. So I request everyone to check the availability before transfer. Yeah, this is the set. The price of this set is 5,500 plus shipping. Please transfer along with the shipping and the total price is 5,600 for this set. How to pay from other country? Ma'am, please don't call on this number. Yeah. For other countries, ma'am, you can transfer through Remitly or through Western Union. Zoom will not accept the business transactions. It will get declined. So many of my US clients, they do it through their, if they have an Indian account, or you can do it through Remitly or Western Union. This will work. So it's a mid-length set, completely gold polish with all perfect look, same as gold. Yeah, you can see the finish if you want. It's a perfect set Andy. Last time also we have sold it almost in 2 hours. So I was just scared to do the live or to post the video. Yeah, because like many people who were already checking for this set, we have already sent the message that it is back in stock, and those payments have already been done, I guess. It's a perfect set for all the bridals. Little heavy one, but a real gold look one. You can see the finish and the clarity. ఇది మిడ్ లెంత్ వస్తుందండి, లాంగ్ కూడా వేసుకోవచ్చు. బ్యాక్ చైన్ అయితే ఎక్స్టెన్షన్ చైన్ పెద్దగానే ఇచ్చాం మేము. సో ఇఫ్ యూ వాంటెడ్ టు వేర్ లాంగ్ ఆల్సో యూ కెన్ వేర్ ఇట్. It's a perfect bridal set, the same as gold look. We'll post the even the client reviews also for this set for the last time who have booked, or else somebody, if anyone in line who has taken this order can post it in the live. Sets anni dispatch ayipoya. No ma'am, only I am eagerly waiting for the Dashavataram set. Tulsi ma'am, if you have transferred, please send the screenshot ma'am. So this is the set. 635 like, beautiful. Preeta ma'am, thank you so much Andy. Please show chokers with small pearls. Sure ma'am. Hip belts ma'am, you can WhatsApp us few we have in temple, and also diamond copies. Jyoti Garu, I have sent money. Okay ma'am, we'll check and we'll block it. I think I have to end the show only so that I can check the payments, because we are receiving too many inquiries and also the payments. Yeah. So this is the set, complete bridal set. You can have a look. Please don't ask me for the pictures again Andy. By the time I click and send the pictures, these will be sold. If you want anything for more clarity, you can check the same live. It's a perfect gold design. Don't wait for the polish or stones or the can you send clear picture and all. So by the time I reply you also, it might get sold with the picture. So if you want anything, we are not clicking the pictures again. Not only for this set, for any set, if you are looking, you please check my short videos or the same live again. These are the live pictures and it will be same what we are showing, and what you get is also the same one. So please don't wait for the pictures. You will miss if you not take this Dashavataram set. It's a wonderful piece. Bharati Raj Garu, I think you have taken this set ma'am. Yeah, and I also request everyone, like whoever is buying this, I need a picture wearing this. It would be a very good compliment for me if you send the picture. Whoever is buying this can send me the picture. Can you show your account details? Swapna ma'am, I'll share you the account details. You can WhatsApp us. Okay, as of now we have very less quantity, Andy, and the kind of inquiries what I'm getting is too huge. So I request everyone to check the availability before transfer. For the Dashavataram set especially, please check the clarity and check the availability, Andy. These are the payment details. Price of Dashavataram is 5,500, ma'am, and the shipping within India is 100 rupees. Like last time, only single piece kuda your international shipping ayyayi. International shipping is 2,500 up to 1 kg. So if you are looking for an international shipping for this set, you can transfer 55 plus 25 is the international shipping, and within India is 100 rupees. I am waiting for the shipping. Prasad Garu, sure Andy. Please send this set as soon as possible. Ma'am, we have already pending orders many, ma'am. Yesterday's bookings, short videos bookings and all. We'll be moving the parcels according to the transactions. Already we have posted in the community yesterday. So please give us some time for processing the orders. So I request everyone to give us some time for processing the orders and also for the replies. అసలు ఫ్లో చాలా ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది మ్యామ్. రిప్లై ఇవ్వడానికి కూడా మాకు టైం అండ్ సెన్స్ దో వీఆర్ ఆన్లైన్ అండ్ వీఆర్ రిప్లయింగ్. సో మనకు ఎంక్వైరీస్ కూడా అలాగే ఉంటుంది కదా. బట్ వీ డెఫినెట్లీ రిప్లై ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ క్వెరీ వన్స్ వీ సీ ద మెసేజ్. లైక్ మెనీ పీపుల్ ఆర్ టెలింగ్ దట్ యూఆర్ ఆన్లైన్ అండ్ యూఆర్ నాట్ రిప్లయింగ్. సో వీఆర్ ఆన్లైన్ జస్ట్ టు చెక్ యువర్ ఎంక్వైరీస్ అండ్ వీ ఆన్సర్ యూ. Plain hip belts with kundan work. Plain hip belts with center pendants వస్తున్నాయండి. నేను స్టాక్ అవ్వగానే మీకు లైవ్ చేసి చూపిస్తాను. Please show bangles. Okay, I forgot to show the bangles. Yeah. This is also again an Nakshi bangle with peacock work. This I think we have shown already, Andy. A few of the lives you can check it. But this is also a perfect design and a perfect set for Dashavataram. You can see the perfect match with the green stones. The price of this bangles is 2,000 plus shipping. The 242628 available. This is also a very pretty design with peacocks, all Nakshi works, and also a flower in between with the green stones. Ma'am, whoever is making payment, please don't call now. After the live, you can give a missed call. Price of Dashavataram, as I told you, it is 5,500 plus 100 is the shipping. We want to visit and buy. It's only online store, ma'am. It's only online store, and we are the wholesalers and stockists. And we don't have any physical store. If you want in bulk also, you have to buy online only. So the price of this bangle is 2,000 plus shipping. 242628 available. I am waiting for the parcel, sure. It's only online store, ma'am. Okay, I didn't show the earrings. Yeah, these are the earrings for the Dashavataram set. A perfect look. It's a big size jumki andi, medium size to big untundi. అంటే పర్ఫెక్ట్ మన సెట్కి మ్యాచ్ అయ్యేలాగా ఇచ్చారు జుమ్కీ కూడా. ఇట్స్ అ బ్యూటిఫుల్ సెట్. లాస్ట్ టైం నేను చెప్పినట్టు నేను ఒక సెట్ పెట్టుకున్నా అని చెప్పాను. ఆ ఒక్క సెట్ గురించి నాకు ఒక హండ్రెడ్స్ ఆఫ్ మెసేజెస్ వచ్చాయి, మ్యామ్ మీరు ఒక సెట్ పెట్టుకున్నారు కదా అది ఇచ్చేసేయండి అని. బట్ నవ్ ఐఎమ్ నాట్ టెల్లింగ్, అండ్ దట్ సెట్ ఆల్సో ఐ హ్యావ్ సోల్డ్. అట్లీస్ట్ దిస్ టైమ్ ఐ హ్యావ్ టు కీప్ వన్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద వన్, a very beautiful one. It's a mid-length Dashavataram set. A perfect gold look. Ma'am, after the live you can give the missed call, ma'am, if you have done the payments. So this is the complete look of the set. A perfect set for the bridals. సేమ్ గోల్డ్ లాగే ఉంటుందండి. మీరు గోల్డ్లో చేసుకొని వేయించుకుంటే ఎలా ఉంటుందో అలాగే ఉంటుంది. ఓల్డ్ 2 sets and Dashavataram, so I have paid. Okay, Sirisha ma'am, sure ma'am. If you have any pending orders, along with that, we can dispatch this set also. It's a gold polish ma'am, not matte. It's completely gold polish. Same మీ గోల్డ్లో ఎలా అయితే పాలిష్ వస్తుందో రియల్ 22 క్యారెట్ గోల్డ్లో సేమ్ అదే పాలిష్. I paid 5,600. Money Kanchi Reddy. Sure ma'am, we'll check and we'll block your orders. I think I'll end the show now Andy, because I have to check on the payments also. And as we have only 50 sets, only first 50 payments will be accepted. So next one, if there is any excess payments, have to wait for another 15 days. That also I can tell you. I mean, I'll tell you if I'm unable to dispatch, I can tell you. Superb collections. Thank you so much. Long jumkis with screw. I'll check ma'am. Screw type earrings వచ్చినప్పుడు నేను కంపల్సరీ లైవ్లో చూపిస్తాను. Ma'am, it all depends on the polish and the kind of stones what we use. If you are comfortable with any page, you can order. But we sell only high quality. The same set you'll get in with 1,000 rupees also. But the kind of quality of the polish and the stones will definitely vary. Yeah, Kundan Tika is mix of silver, Kaushik Yadav garu. Quality wise, definitely ma'am, definitely it is, because most of them they use 16 micron, 18 micron, but we use only 24 micron, which gives you a long lasting color and also the quality. Mainly the look wise, it gives you the real look when you use a nice same gold 22 karat gold kind of tinge, then it gives you a nice gold look. The same set మీకు మ్యాట్లో కూడా వచ్చి ఉంటుంది, లైట్ పాలిష్లో వచ్చి ఉంటుంది. It might give you an artificial look, but I don't prefer those. Please give confirmation message. Kalpana Yakketili. Ma'am, once I see the WhatsApp, I'll definitely take the confirmations of the payments. I think Geeta Yadav, ma'am, I have sent the money. Okay, I'll just check it ma'am. Fine, I'll just end the live now so that I can check on the payments. I'm receiving too many calls. Thank you so much, Amy. Thank you for joining. Bye, take care.